360-degree rotation design. You can swivel the mount to any angle so that you can get the best viewing angle. The rotary design makes it fold easily. The arm length can be retractable by 0 to 5 cm. It doesn't block your view. No need to look down at navigation, and get a more comfortable and safer user experience. The phone holder adopts retractable 4-claw design on the left and right sides, grips each corner of your phone tightly, and prevents dropping. Well balanced, keeps stable no matter on the highway or bumpy mountain road. You can place or take the phone with one hand when driving. Easy to adjust the cell phone to horizontal or vertical screen. It is convenient to answer the phone, play music, GPS positioning during the riding, let you use it. Absolutely selected premium ABS material with a mellow design, which is durable and has no deformation. It's easy to install and remove, and it leaves no marks after removal. Unlike suction cup or paste type of mobile phone holders that easy to injure dashboard or leave ugly glue marks.